Nellie the elephant packed her trunk and trundled back to the jungle. Off she went with a trumpety trump, 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 trump. The head of the herd was calling from far, far away. They met one night in the silver light on the road to Mandalay. So Nellie the elephant packed her trunk and said goodbye to the circus. Off she went with a trumpety trump, 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 trump.
Nellie was tired of walking and thought it would be quicker and easier to catch a plane.
It's like catching a bus, I expect. I'll just wait here until one stops. You silly elephant, Nellie. What were you doing? Catching a plane for Mandalay. Mandalay? You need one of those. It's called a jumbo jet. A jumbo jet? You mean you've named a plane after an elephant? Come with me, Nellie, and let's find you a seat.
She took Nellie to the check-in desk, where a lady was loading the passengers' luggage.
Have you got any luggage, Nellie?
What's luggage?
Bags, suitcases or a trunk, perhaps?
Oh, I've got a trunk.
Then put it on there, please, and I'll give it a label.
Oh! Dear, oh dear, Nellie, what are we going to do with you?
Eventually, the air hostess found Nellie a seat on the plane. She fastened her seatbelt, and the plane was ready to take off. Once they were in the air, the hostess brought the passengers a meal.
Here we are, Nellie. Currant buns followed by currant buns, and then later I'll bring you some currant buns. Thank you. It's going to be a long journey, so we're going to show a film.
But then, something rather worrying happened. Hostess, to captain's flight deck immediately, please. Immediately, please. The hostess ran behind a little curtain, and Nellie could hear them whispering urgently. If you panic, then panic.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have some very bad and serious news. The film projector has broken down.
Oh, no!
Don't panic, don't panic. I know what to do.
What? What?
I'll entertain you instead.
Oh, yes! And with that, Nellie began doing all her favourite circus tricks. The passengers were delighted, and the more they laughed and clapped, the bigger and better Nellie's tricks became. And the bigger and better her tricks became, the more the aeroplane rocked and rolled. Captain, to control. There's something wrong with the plane. Repeat, something wrong with the plane.
Turn back and land. Repeat, turn back.
Nellie came to the end of her tricks just as the plane was landing. And as the captain appeared, Nellie was taking her bow. Oh, thank you. Thank you, but really, well, it was nothing. The passengers were ready to take off again so that Nellie could carry on. But Nellie wasn't so keen. Over the roar of the planes taking off, she heard that special sound, floating on the breeze and drifting in the wind. The head of the herd was calling.
I'm back where I started. Huh. So much for aeroplanes. Quicker to walk if you ask me.
And Nellie the elephant trundled off to the jungle once again.
Nellie the elephant packed her trunk and trundled back to the jungle. Off she went with a trumpety trump, 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 trump. The head of the herd was calling from far, far away. They met one night in the silver light on the road to Mandalay. So Nellie the elephant packed her trunk and said goodbye to the circus. Off she went with the trumpety trump, 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 trump.